Pinky Peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bros. Take two. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys. I am happy you're here, and I left my fan above, which will make you dizzy. So let me quickly turn that off. It helps keep this girl nice and cool. I've been fiddling. I love to fiddle. I love to try new things. I love to discover new things. I love to see people doing new things. So I've been working with crackle paste. Now, if you want to know about crackle paste, Google it. There are so many YouTube videos out there that show you how to apply it. And I've used a lot of different crackle paste. I used Folk Art Crackle Medium. I give it on a scale of 1 to 10 a 3. I've used Deco Art Crackle Paste, which does a really good job, but I am out of that. And yesterday I used Golden Crackle Paste. Now, what is crackle paste? Well, you put it down on your canvas. You can do a number of things. You can paint your canvas first, then put your crackle paste where you want to place it, and then paint on top of it. What I did was I put down a dark base coat, let that dry, and then with a palette knife, I spread my crackle paste out, let that dry, and then I came in and painted on top of the cracks. Excuse me. Now, I wanted my cracks to be very, very haphazard, which they are here. Let me bring you in for kind of a close-up. I wanted it to have kind of like a burnt effect. So I'm still learning. I'm still playing. Crackle paste, the thicker you put it down, the bigger your cracks. The thinner you put it down, the smaller your cracks. Right in through here, I don't know if you can see that. I put just a very thin layer with my palette knife there just to see what it would do. Let me show you a painting where I put it down thicker and it made bigger cracks. Now, this is not done. I'm still trying to decide what to do with it, but I don't know if you can see those big old cracks in there, but that's a thicker application of crackle paste. So I'm learning, and how do I learn? This girl learns by doing. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So initially I thought that I would do a dark blue sky to go with the dark and moodiness of this. I'm not sure I'm done here. I might go in and add this type of texture over here and blend it into this. I'm playing, you know, we'll see as we go. But what I've decided to do was do a sunset above this area with coordinating colors and a mountain range kind of in the middle. Now, I'm probably going to lose this mountain range, but once this next portion dries, I'll go in with my handy dandy paintbrush and probably some Deco Art Carbon Black and repaint that in. And at that point, I'll fiddle and play with this. So we're just going to be playing. We're going to do a bit of a sunset up here. I'm just going to ribbon pour my colors out one at a time and then blend them with some damp paper towels. What are our colors? This is dark Deco Art in their Carbon Black. This is fun. I saw my girl Britta Clayton Designs, do a beautiful sunset with a bit of purple in the sky. And I thought, how about using that Treasure Gold Antique Copper? Now, it's funny, it's called Antique Copper, but if you take a look at it, it has a color shift and it has a very purple hue to it. So I thought that would play really well in this painting. This is Deco Art, the Q word in the nickel azo gold. Right here's a fun paint, and this is really fun to dry swipe with, which I might do over here in this section. It's transparent red iron oxide by Golden, and I just love this paint. I did like a thin glaze with it over this section right here. Very transparent. Right here, Golden Fluids Iridescent Gold in the fine. And this last color, oh, this is like my new favorite color. It's like a combination of, I see a little bit of the nickel azo gold with a beautiful red hue in it. This is golden, another Q word in the burnt orange. Now this is a heavy body paint. It's like molasses, guys, thick as can be. That is the only paint that got any water. Pouring medium today is my swiping pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, a healthy squirt of GAC 800, and water only in one paint, the heavy body burnt orange. A few squirts just to get it down to the consistency of the other paints. Let me show you that consistency. We are thin. It leaves no trace when the paint, well, just a little bit of a trace before it disappears into the paint below. So I'm playing. Oh, and I also just got in the mail golden high flow acrylics. This is even more fluid. This is the high flow, guys, in the iridescent gold fine. If you see me pull this out, I'm using it straight out of the bottle, no pouring medium. It's very, very thin. So we're just going to get cray on this painting to see what happens, guys. And I'm glad you're here to go cray with me. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
I wanted to, need to cherish every moment left with you. The leaves change the color, fall as close and it will break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down, wish I just could stop. Suffocate my feelings for you, and I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Oh, the leaves change the color and fall as close and in, break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down, just wish I could. Wish I could stop time, stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down, wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down, wish I could stop time. When the leaves change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down, wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down, wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down, wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time, wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Days they go shorter with every hour, every minute. every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you. The leaves change the color, and fall is closing in. Will break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I just could stop. Maybe I wouldn't care if I could suffocate my feelings for you. And I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Oh, the leaves change the color, and fall is closing in. Break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down. Just wish I could. Wish I could stop time. Stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. When the leaves change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time.